Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as email spam detection using machine learning algorithm. Let us see the execution of the project. This is the home screen, welcome screen of the project with the project title email spam detection using machine learning. Click login and enter the static username and password, that is admin and admin. And after that you can see the abstract of the project which is mentioned in the base paper. Click next, and here you can upload the data set. And click upload. So now here you can see preview the data set that we have uploaded with the feature of which are features available or ID, the spam and the text. And you can scroll down till the end of the page and see the complete data set, and now you can click to train and test. After a few seconds the training is finished. You can see the training is finished message and click OK. And now you can here you can see the prediction value, and here you can enter the data. Now we are going to see the two cases, that is the normal case and the spam case both. Now we will check with the other case, the spam case. So click predict, and here you can see the result as spam. So I have shown you a normal and the both the cases. So here you can see it is no spam, it is ham. So you can check with any results of it, and it is no spam. And this is spam. So I checked with the two cases, that is spam and no spam, ham. And next you can go with the analysis part. Here you can see the data set values with the spam percentage and the ham percentage, and click performance analysis, where you can see the performance analysis, that is the precision and recall value. Here you can see the recall and precision value for no spam and spam, and confusion matrix. And this is the conclusion and future work of the project. And this is all about the project email spam detection using machine learning algorithm. Thank you for watching.